All right, let's check out a few more here in video two. We've got our next word is uplifting, which is a geology term. It says vertical elevation of the Earth's surface in response to natural causes. So we'll take a look at a picture of that, make it a little bit easier to understand. All right, so here we've got some pictures of uplift. You can see it says rock uplift, which means that usually what happens is these two plates, which is our next word, these tectonic plates collide and it pushes the earth up. So that's what's happening here. They push up on the rock and one of them is forced to the surface. If they're not forced to the surface, we have things like volcanoes and earthquakes when those big plates crash together. So our next word is tectonic plates, which are the big slabs of the outside of the earth. And they do move. They're just like giant plates on top of the earth and they move around really, really slowly, of course. But when they do collide or when they're next to each other, they meet up and they form one of these types of things. They have uplift. Sometimes they go down. Sometimes they have faults, which is where earthquakes will happen. Like out in California, there are a lot of places where plates meet and they form cracks in the surface. And our next word is subsidence, which is the sinking of the Earth's response in response to geologic or man induced causes. So basically, it means it's a hole or a forming hole, a sinkhole in the ground. We can see a picture of it right here. Usually, this happens because of water underneath this area and it slowly sags down. Sometimes it's from humans mining. In this case, there's coal under here. You can see it says coal. So people have dug that out, and then the surface of the earth sinks in when that happens. So there's a variety of reasons why it happens, but subsidence is when the Earth is kind of sinking in, and you can see some other pictures like this one here has it on one side. That one side of the building has fallen in. And the last one here for this video is fold, which is wave-like geologic structure that forms when rocks deform. This one's probably the coolest and most identifiable to see of these geologic features. And right here, this is folded rock. So sometime long time ago, these were pushed together, and the pressure made them just kind of fold and crumple like a piece of paper or like a slinky. And that does happen. They're found in many places, but pretty cool and definitely visually easy to see when you see them on the side of the road.